How to use Getresponse. First, make sure to check the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Log in or simply use your Google account to sign in. To create your first email campaign, go to the Email Marketing tab in the dashboard and click on Create Newsletter. You'll be prompted to choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. Once you've selected your template, you can easily customize it to match your brand. Add your logo, choose your colors, and personalize the content. Getresponse's drag-and-drop editor makes it super intuitive. Now let's move on to marketing automation. Getresponse allows you to set up automated workflows that save you time and help nurture your leads. To start, click on the Marketing Automation tab in the dashboard and choose Create Workflow. From here, you can define triggers, actions, and conditions to automate your marketing processes. It's important to track the performance of your email campaigns to see what's working and what needs improvement. Getresponse provides powerful analytics to help you understand your audience better. Simply click on the Reports tab on the dashboard, and you'll have access to various reports like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. This data will help you make data-driven decisions for your future campaigns. And that's it.